Keep watching to see how I get this spicy little eyeshadow number here. Starting with this shade, and we're gonna press this through the socket. Grabbing this shade to transition, and we'll press this right above our crease shade. This is the brush I initially applied eyeshadow base with. I'm gonna use whatever's left and just kind of go on my lid. We're gonna go ahead and hop into this shade. Look at it in the mirror. Look how it appears green. That's so cool. And here we go. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna press and pull, press and pull. Look at how gorgeous this color is. I'm taking a little bit of this eyeshadow base here and I'm taking it on an angled liner brush. We're gonna map out a liner, a winged liner, just like we always would. Just think that we're using black liner. Fill it in, you know the drill. Layering like this is a really good way to get two colors out of your flip eyeshadows. Micellar water, concealer brush, clean up the edge here, underline. And I'm gonna define this. A little bit of liner very close to the lash line so we can hide our lash band. I know I say press a whole lot, but even I find myself still wanting to drag my brush, but pressing it in is the way to go. Let's bronze this face. Let's press this in. Let's go ahead and set the face. I always like to match my blush to my crease color. We're gonna go right on top of the cheek. I kind of give it a and then press it on top. Major tip, grab your powder foundation and a tiny detail brush. It's actually easier to blend in the powder foundation than it would be concealer. And clean up that liner. I want the shadow to really pull pink, so we're doing a pink waterline. Let's take that lid shade and pull it through here, using some more of that powder foundation to clean up my lip line. Round of applause for this palette. And this is the finished look.